It's the morning of October 29th after this storm we had, which you can see there's tons of snow all over the leaves, assessing our damage from fallen trees and stuff. Watch out, guys. There's a nice one to greet us right as it come in off the kitchen. Oh, hi there. Hey, Bailey. Just saying hi to Bailey. These trees decided it was a good idea to obliterate the deck.
Careful.
And they're still coming down. And then nearly lost the air conditioner that's in the bedroom. I don't really know if I can get in on that. It's probably inoperable. Smushed, I guess would be the word. There's just a labyrinth of trees here. It's gonna be fun getting out of the driveway today with these relatively large trees. Be one thing to drag these bastards as they are, but with all the snow and ice on them, it's gonna be a bit of a fun task. Well, that's it so far. Lost a little bit of the fence here. I went through, this guy plummeted right through it. It looks like that's about it for fence damage, so far it's not bad. I think if any high winds come through, it's going to be round 2, but hopefully they don't. And we've been without electricity since like 1 o'clock yesterday, I think. So, good thing we have a fireplace. What are you doing, Sophie?